So is this the big one? Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe it was an emergency. Maybe it was an imminent danger. Could just be a car accident somewhere. Could be. Could be a lightning strike. Could be a chemical spill. Could be, who knows? Guess we'll go in and turn on the TV and turn on the radio. I mean, there is a lightning storm, so who knows? That sounded pretty much like the imminent danger signal. Does seem as if a strong storm is whipping up. Maybe it was an imminent danger. Would we know? No, we'd never know. Holy cow. I'm getting hit with dirt. It's really blowing. This might have been an imminent danger. Well, I'm going to get out of the way. So apparently, from what we just heard, that could have been the imminent danger signal. But no one in town would have known because it really did sound exactly like the fire signal. This is a serious problem here. We heard the fire signal go off. It sounded exactly like the fire signal that goes off 3 to 12 times a day. Come to find out, this is like huge 60-mile-per-hour winds are coming. This thing is bearing down upon us, and we heard the fire siren. What's going on there, honey? I'll be there in a second. I've got to get this. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for extreme southwestern Caroline County in eastern Maryland. That's Talbot County, that's us, in eastern Maryland. So yeah, we heard this thing go off, and all of a sudden there's lightning and thunder. Fire siren? Oh my. Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing penny-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 6 miles south of Tillman Island, or 15 miles southwest of Easton, where I am speaking to you from now, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Wow. Amazing. So the siren, don't know if you can hear it, the siren is going off again outside. This is it's possibly fire siren. We hear sirens coming from all over town, besides the sirens that are continuous. Cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. So, fire siren, imminent danger signal. I don't know. Still don't know.